YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Manco Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Beijing this morning for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima Alpha Juliet. She took her flight number 63820, as you can see it here. She had a great circle distance of 1,987 kilometers. 1,987 kilometers. Actual flight time 2 hours and 42 minutes and a chop 25 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at the middle runway at 12:42 midnight, as you can see it here. And then she landed at Beijing Capital International Airport at 3:24 in the morning local time in Beijing. This aircraft is special because she is the first ever Airbus A330 and Airbus A330-342 to be painted in the new livery back in March 2016. So, for the details of Bravo Lima Alpha Juliet, kindly check the previous video about this said aircraft. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys!